health promotion model that was designed by Penter, which acts as a complementary counterpart to other models of health promotion. The cognitive and perceptual factors, which includes importance of health, perceived control of health and perceived self-efficacy, definition of health, health behaviors, perceived benefits of health promoting and perceived barriers to health promoting behaviors. The modifying factors are age, sex, race, ethnicity, education, and income. The biological factors, it includes body weight, interpersonal influences, which includes the expectations from family members or others. The situational factors that are those present in environment, and the behavioral factors. The variables are mass media, and self-intuition. This is Penter's health promotion model that consists of cognitive perceptual factors, modifying factors, participation in health promoting behaviors. Cognitive perceptual factors and modifying factors helps in participation of the health promoting factors, and these three factors are interlinked, vice versa. Thank you.